me to squish you.
Why?
This is an awkward position.
Way to go, idiot. Ow, my ankle.
Ow, you're sitting on my foot.
No, it's like, now I'm taking the carpet with me.
You idiot. Having fun?
Yeah.
I think Steph's dead.
She's not dead, she still smells.
The smell of rotten. Oh wait, no, that's just Steph. Now there's something ugly on the floor.
Here, pull me. Whee! Hey, that's cool.
That's a nice dance.
Here, Steph, hold on.
What?
Do the thing where you jump up into my arms. So I carry you and spin you.
Okay.
Okay? Da, da,